Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I'm here to do my weekly setup in my B6 Stalogy. I decided I'm going to keep things simple this week. I am in somewhat of a planner funk, so I think keeping it simple will be best because I didn't touch anything from last week. And all the pages are blank other than the decoration. But these are the washes that I chose, so again, simple. And I am going to go ahead and do the Scrapcraftastic Weekly Planner Challenge in this planner instead of the Capital Chic planner. I'm on the fence about using that planner, even though I really want to. Because I'm in a funk, I don't want to plan in multiple planners. So for now, everything is going to be in the B6 Stalogy, and I will still be doing spreads in my body book for Patreon. So for now, just the Stalogy, and I'll just try to put everything in here. So again, I didn't touch last week. I didn't go back and do the July calendar. I didn't do anything. I'm in a funk. So I'm decided that I'm gonna even keep this week even more simple by just doing a week on 2 pages. Since I didn't use anything the previous week, yeah, I think that would be best. So I'm going to be using this Stardust washi from Simply Gilded and just putting a footer and a header. And I posted a question in on the community tab asking if others experience this, because I seem to experience it at the same time, around the same time every year. I thought I'd made it through this year without it happening, and then boom, it hit. So, and it appears that quite a few other people have the same problem. Some have it at different times, of course, but yeah, it happens. So I didn't even do the Diamonds Are Forever prompt for last week. I was supposed to do the Diamonds Are Forever prompt from the weekly challenge in my Capital Chic planner. I didn't do it. This week is summer treats, so I'm just going to do a little hint of that in this planner or in this Stalogy. But I don't know what I'm going to do about Diamonds Are Forever because the planner funk comes at a really bad time since I am a huge James Bond fan, and I just don't have the desire to do anything for that as far as planning. But I was thinking maybe I could do something in my art journal for it. I don't want to skip a week in my own challenge, so yeah. I mean, I have done it before, but I feel funny about doing that. Okay, so there we are, our base for the week. I pulled out these 2 washes. I'm not sure how or if I will use them. Maybe the stars. I just wanted something light and airy. So what I'm going to do is find the center here. And I think that's about there. So I'm just dividing the page in 4. So if it's about there, there, then I'm going to find the center of that, which is here and here approximately, and then the center on the other end. Okay, so I think I only have to do it on 1 page and then I can run it across. So maybe I will use this white washi with the hollow silver stars to divide this up, even though you won't really be able to see it. So you can see a little bit. I'm even thinking about just calling it good and giving away the capital sheet planner. I mean, I don't want to keep dated planners that someone else could use, so I don't know. I mean, I only decorated one week in it so far. That's another thing that's kind of keeping me from doing too much more, because I don't know if I'm actually going to want to continue. I always want to do, like I mentioned, I always want to do, I guess the grass is always greener on the other side, like they say, but I always want to do spreads using kits. It always seems like such a fabulous idea, and then when I start doing it, it's just not for me. I don't know. I don't know. I guess I should just enjoy the spreads of others that use kits, maybe. I can't tell if half of this is straight or crooked. But I don't know. So that is what that looks like. Hopefully the light is catching the foil, because I cannot tell if it is. All right, let's go on and put a tab on here. Did you catch the video that I put up last night? I was thinking I would wait and put it up today, but I was like, no, because I got to do my plan with me today. So I put it up last night, like right before midnight. If you didn't check it out, I'll put a link in the iCard up above. Please go check it out. Let me know what you think, if you're going to play along. So I'm going to use leftover date dots that I have from Crafting by the Pound. And I'm also going to use this week's sticker. I'm going to use it up here. Or should I turn it to the side? I think I'm going to turn it to the side. And before I do the date dots, I think I've got to put down, maybe I'll use the script of the Piper Paper Company days of the week. Let me put this back and use the scripts. I haven't used them at all. Just find the sheet where they're all on one page. It's got to be in here somewhere. Here we go. I think those are clear. Okay. Still not finished organizing my stickers. Just procrastinating more and more. Okay. So this is Monday. Not the same size, but I think it is the same font. Here we go with Tuesday. Should I put it there or should I put it here? Okay, so there is that. Let's put down the dates. Today is the 11th, so Monday will be the 12th. And this is the 12th through the 18th. I hate to break this up like this, but it must be done. Okay, so that is it for those. There is a whole base for the week. Let's zoom in a little bit so you can see a little bit more. So I have this seasonal book from the Happy Planner. This is my original one that has already been used. I think it's pretty well used, but I never used this page. Let's Just do a quick flip. I mean, well, maybe it's not that well used. I used a lot of the Christmas and fall stuff, but not much of anything else. So I figured for summer treats, I would use the popsicles, maybe the ice cream, just a little simple deco. Use the coconut there. Probably overdid it already. I think that's it. I won't use the orange sickle. Let's see if there's anything else. Oh, there's another coconut. Let's put it down here. Okay, that's enough of that. So that is the seasonal from the Happy Planner. I do have something to do on Tuesday, so I could put a box down for Tuesday. I'm gonna use this box from, oh, what's the name? Fabulously Creative. So let's put that down on Tuesday. Okay, so yeah, that's the only thing that I have to do is on Tuesday. I'm gonna go ahead and put down the trash and laundry day stickers, things like that. And that's gonna be it. I don't think I'm gonna make it to the gym. I'm a little worried about the new variant or the current variant. So I'm not sure I wanna do that. This will be like the third time that I restarted my membership, and I don't know what to do. It is laundry day on Tuesday. This month seems like it's going by really fast. Put down the payday sticker. Definitely gonna need to call the lawn man before the week is out. I think I'm gonna put that on Wednesday. I'm not gonna put down the dinner icons this time. I'm gonna see how it goes. I may use something else for an icon just to highlight that area. So trash day is Thursday and recycle day is Friday. Use a plan next week with a little planner on it. Oops, I'm losing my books. I don't know that I want to use a doll. Maybe that's what it is. I need something. I'm uninspired. These are probably too big. I'm going to use her. These are kind of things that I fall back on. Am I in frame even? And then these little character dolls are from COCO'S Vision. I could probably use a Lily doll too, but I may end up using that during the week maybe. Since this is planned next week on Sunday, I'm just gonna put her over here in the corner. I could put something up here. We need something exciting and new in the planner community, and there isn't anything. Let's use her sipping her coffee or tea. All right, so that's gonna be it for this spread. Like I said, it was gonna be easy breezy, simple, straightforward, week on 2 pages. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at Scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.